Hi guys! Ang topic natin for this video ay Pythagorean theorem. So, sabi doon, the square of the hypotenuse of a right triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the legs. So, halimbawa, ito ay isang right triangle. Yung longest side, yung hypotenuse. Ang laging gamit sa kanya ay C. Tapos, itong dalawang maikling side ay AB. So, sinasabi dyan, the square of the hypotenuse of a right triangle. Okay, so, ang sabi dyan, ang parang main formula natin ay C squared is equals to A squared plus B squared. Okay, magkaroon tayo ng example para mas matandaan pa natin. So, itong triangle na to, meron siyang sukat na 3, 4, at 5. So, sabi, dapat daw, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the legs. So, ang hypotenuse natin ay 5. So, 5 squared is equals to 3 squared plus 4 squared. So, 25 squared, 25 na lang, wala nang squared. So, 3 squared equals to 9 plus 4 squared equals 16. So, 25 is equals to 9 plus 16 ay 25. So, equal sila sa isa't isa. Ibig sabihin, right triangle sila. Okay. So, mag-move tayo sa meron tinatawag na mga Pythagorean triples. Yung mga sila, whole number sila na laging sila yung magkakagrupo sa Pythagorean theorem. So, ABC. Ang C natin dito ay yung hypotenuse at yung A at B ay yung dalawang legs. So, 3, 4, at 5. Hindi nyo naman na to kailangan kabisaduhin. Pero bonus na din kung makabisado nyo. Pero kung gusto nyo na parang walang masyadong minamemorize, tandaan nyo lang yung formula na C squared is equals to A squared plus B squared. So, halimbawa daw, ang binigay sa atin na sukat ng legs ay 5 tsaka 12. Ano yung magiging sukat nitong hypotenuse? Okay, so input natin yung formula. So, C squared is equals to A squared plus B squared. So, C squared is equals to yung A natin? So, 5 squared plus 12 squared equals to 25 plus 144. So, C squared is equals to 169. So, square root, getting the square root, para matira na lang ay C. C is equals to 13. So, ibig sabihin, kapag yung sukat ng legs ay 5 tsaka 12, ang sukat ng hypotenuse natin ay 13. Okay, so, paano naman kung ang hinanap sa atin ay yung leg? So, ang sukat daw ng isang leg ay 24, tapos yung sukat naman nung hypotenuse ay 25. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, i-plug in ulit natin sa formula. C squared is equals to A squared plus B squared. Ano yung C natin? 25 squared. So, C natin ay 25. So, C squared ay 25 squared. Tapos, ano yung A squared? Yun yung hinahanap natin. So, wala pa siya. Plus, ano yung B? 24. So, 24 squared. Ang 25 squared ay 625. Equal yan sa a squared daw plus, ano ang 24 squared? Equals to 576. Okay. So, para makuha natin yung a squared, gagawin natin 625 minus, magma-minus tayo ng 576 both sides, equals a squared. Kapag nag-minus tayo ng 576 both sides, mawawala na yung 576 na to. Kaya a squared na lang yung natira. Tapos, ang nakikita na lang natin, itong minus natin sa kabila. Okay, so 625 minus 576 equals 49. So, equals a squared. So, kunin natin yung square root. Makukuha natin na a is equals to 7. So, a natin dito ay 7. Okay, so ito yung examples pa ng Pythagorean triples natin. Ito yung mga magkakasama pang sukat. Okay, so dahil doon, tapos na yon, mag-move tayo sa sample problem. Sabi, the size of a smartphone is by the length of its diagonal. If the dimension of a phone is 6 inches by 3 inches, what is its size? So, ito yung smartphone daw, rectangle, ayan. Tapos, ito yung 6 inches, ito yung 3 inches. So, ang length of diagonal daw yung sa size, ito yung diagonal natin. Okay, so ito ay 3 inches din, tapos ito ay 6 inches din. Yung diagonal, so c squared is equals to a squared plus b squared. So, 6, yung una nating leg ay 6 squared plus 3 squared. Paano malalaman kung saang variable? Kahit alin, basta legs sila, parehas. Okay lang yun. So, 36 plus 9 c squared is equals to 45. Ang square root ng, kunin yung square root both sides. So, makukuha natin ay 3 square root of 5 or approximately 3 square root of 5 approximately 6.71 inches. Yun yung final answer. So, ayun lang para sa Pythagorean theorem. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and please subscribe if you haven't yet. Kung may questions kayo, clarifications, or suggested topics, you can comment down below and please share sa inyong classmates and friends. Thank you so much. See you sa next video.